Look what we have here. We've got an awesome car today, a 1970 Dodge Challenger TA. That's for Trans Am Racing. This one's been rotisserie restored, factory red with red interior, and that's a pistol grip 4-speed sitting in there. Under the hood's the 340 6-pack. I'll tell you all about the Trans Am in just a minute. It's more than just a couple go-fast parts and some stripes. This is a completely rethought, redesigned car, high-performance version of the Trans Am race car. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the information. Look at pictures top to bottom. That's where you'll find the price tag along with the monthly finance option. That's all at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified when the next video is posted. And if you really get excited about a car, on our website we have the Buy It Now button. You can click that button and that'll lock it up until you talk to one of the salesmen. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, red on red 4-speed really makes this one special, and it was rotisserie restored about 15 years ago. It still looks amazing. Now the Trans Am itself has a lot of unique features. For one, you have a blacked out lightweight scooped ram air hood. All the striping. It has side exhaust, which is really cool. They actually made the rear tires taller than the front tire just to give a little more clearance for the exhaust. It comes with the sport suspension, disc brakes, a sure grip rear end. The 340 block is an actual unique block for this car. It actually has TA cast right on the side of the block. They're a stronger, different block. It's not just a 340 with some parts thrown at it. It does have the 6-pack on it. So all sorts of unique features come with the Trans Am TA Challenger. This is a 1-year-only car. They only made 989 4-speeds altogether. So they did flip the car on a rotisserie. The floors are all clean metal, the frame rails, the floor pans, you name it, all nice and clean. And it's all painted the body color bright red. All of the suspension and steering was rebuilt at that time. Shocks, bushings, you name it, all redone. The fuel system was completely replaced. The exhaust system was correctly replaced. It's a muffler. And the pipe comes out in the front of it and curves over, and you got them big flared tips on the side. That's all factory. Disc brakes in front. You know, that system was rebuilt when it was restored. E-brake is all hooked up. You look up at the motor, it's still real nice and clean. You can see, we have pictures on our website, the casting codes and dates line up real nice for the car. It says TA right on the block. It has a correct, excuse me, 833 4-speed transmission that's in there, and the 355 sure grip rear end. So underneath, it's got all the goodies, the rallye suspension I mentioned earlier, these come with, quick ratio steering, and it is disc in front. It's a bigger 11-inch drum in back. Now let's check out the body. Claim they have the original metal on the car. This is all straight, fits real nice. The trunk's nice and square. They call this the dovetail spoiler. This is all real nice, clean, straight, real nice. The body line here is real nice and smooth. Door lines up real nicely. Shuts real nice and sound. All this is all nice, clean, smooth metal. Under the vinyl top, this is all solid. There's no bumps, no rust under the top here. The fiberglass hoods, I had some that bow so bad you can put your hand in it. This one sticks up a little bit. I'm going to call this better than most. This is a fiberglass lightweight hood. I don't see any damage on it. This is real straight here. Fender's in excellent shape. This door all lines up and fits real nicely. Shuts real nice and solid. It is repainted bright red. That's the original color for this car, and it's very smooth and glossy. Really sharp looking paint. The pop-up gas cap looks to be original. I'm going to call it an 8. It's just got a little bit of tarnish. The stainless trim looks to be original. There's just light scuffs and marks. It's not beat up, but it's not new either. The vinyl top's in really good shape. The rear window's original and looks very clear. The back tail light's original, so the little bit of chrome shining around the edge is a little tarnished because that looks to be original. Bumper's re-chromed. There is a little blistering in the paint right here. There's a line here, and the moisture must have just got under there. About the size of my thumbnail right there. It's a little bumpy. It's got the proper striping. It has the painted racing mirrors. They are 15-inch rallye wheels, so the wheels are the same front and back, and they're all restored or new. They look great. The reproduction tires, these are G60s. The fronts are E60s, just a little shorter. And again, that's to make clearance for the side exhaust. Door handles are probably replaced. They're nice and shiny. The weather strips and window seals were redone. Windshield, I'm sure, has been replaced. The grille looks to be very good. It's got some chin spoilers down there, they call them. The bumper looks real nice and shiny. All right, that's the outside. Why don't we open it up, see how it looks inside and under the hood. All right, we have a really impressive trunk compartment here. It's all painted up real nice. The sticker's real nice. Got a working trunk light. So the jamb and the whole inside of the trunk floor, all nice, clean metal. It's all painted red. Everything looks really good. But you know, it's real cool. This collapsible spare is in excellent shape. Look at the rim and the sticker, the jack, even the Chrysler air bottle. All that looks like new. And the jack assembly is hiding over there where it's supposed to be. So the rear seat divider, the mat, the weather strip, that's all been replaced. And this is kind of cool. The black they put underneath the spoiler. Like Camaros don't have that. But they wanted it to blend in, I guess, with the spoiler. That's original, by the way. This car feels real good, too. I drove it a little bit, and just clutch, motor, all of it feels right. Door jambs are real nice and clean. Bottom of the doors are real nice and dry. Weather strips are replaced. Door panels must have been replaced. They're in mint condition. Now the dash pad, these all split and cracked. This one has no splits. It might have been replaced because there's no damage. But the instrument panel, all of this, the heater controls, all the plastic, nothing's cracked or damaged. Claimed to be 71,000 actual miles. It has a clock, which is not working, but I don't recall seeing a clock in one of these. Original radio, so nothing's cut up. Does have 2 aftermarket gauges down here. And this is all painted up nice. The glove box is nice. We got an owner's manual. The light works in there. Kick panels are real nice. Nice bright red carpet with embroidered mats. The center console's in really good shape, but the star of the show is this pistol grip 4-speed. The seats have got new cushion. They're nice and firm and plump. Been reupholstered. The original dated seat belts, red seat belts, are all here. Even the shoulder belts. So everything's really nice. The carpet, the side panels, the rear shelf, all real nice. Headliner looks like it has a repair right here. So overall in very nice shape. The light works. Visors look good. So it's not a brand new 100-point restoration, but it's a very nice car throughout with a few little things you could nitpick. I'm very happy with the car. And again, the red on red 4-speed kind of separates this from a few of the others that you'll find out there. So again, it's a unique 340 block. It's all high performance, built from the factory. They use an Edelbrock tri-power intake. There's 3 carburetors underneath there. I think they would be Holley carbs. This is a functional ram air system that meets up to the hood. And it's all stock. The valve covers, manifolds, pulleys, it's all stock. The components on the firewall are real nice. Reproduction hoses, got the horns, got the overflow bottle, or actually is that the washer fluid? The right radiator, the shroud, the fan, the hoses and clamps, an actual Mopar battery, all secured properly. The VIN number of the car is stamped back here. That's the hidden VIN number. We have the original fender tags. It's a 2-tag car. The one says Trans Am, and the other has all the options, which I have decoded. That's on our website. It all checks out. We got power steering hiding down here. We got power brakes. Even date-coded spark plug wires that say Chrysler on them. Correct wiper motor. And then there's one more hidden VIN number. You probably won't see it, but there's a VIN number stamped on the cowl. Those are important because that tells you it's a Challenger TA, and the fact that the hidden VIN numbers all match each other, very unlikely that there was funny business there. Doesn't that sound sweet? Oh, it's a little mini tachometer down below there. With an oil pressure gauge. Nice solid car. It's got racing car history. Big part of the muscle car era. This right here, it's an important car. Go to volocars.com, talk to the salesman about your questions. They can help get this delivered. They can help get it financed at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon and you will be notified when the next video is posted. We got some exciting cars lined up ahead of us. Thanks for watching.